Your bike's faster than mine. Yours is faster than mine, I can tell.
Oh boy.
Make sure I don't step into the landmines.
Okay, engines ready, start your engine.
He's doing
Go, Jackson, go.
Y'all are missing his face. He's so intense, he can't even.
They can race on the way back too.
Y'all better hurry up. She's gonna.
Phoebe's gonna win.
Oh, got distracted.
See, he's getting it now.
Dan needs air in his tires.
Okay, line up. Line up at the starting line.
He beat me the first time.
Okay, start your engines.
Gentlemen, start your engines. Oh, go. He wants to do it by himself.
He's winning.
Come on, McQueen. Come on, McQueen, you're almost there. Hurry. He's getting close to you. You're beating him and you got it. Oh, my God. Hey. Another piston cup.
You got a fast bike.
Tell you what, he was straining it. He was straining the whole time.
No, you have fast shoes on too, and I got football shoes on. I got football shoes on and football bicycle. Spin around.
Are they there yet? Okay. Y'all got me? Okay, good. We're back. Okay, we're back. Here we go again. Oh, one more. Sorry, y'all, but y'all just have to hang in there. Yeah. Hey.
First place.
Hey, can y'all hear me?
Oh, get it.
Come on, push forward. Push forward. Push forward. Sometimes you have to get right over the edge. You have to push with both legs. Come on, see? You have to push with both legs.
Hurry, beat Uncle Dan.
Come on, you gotta beat Uncle Dan. Push down.
There you go.
Push down.
Keep going. You got it.
Come on, you got it. Left leg. Push forward. Push forward. Push forward. Actually,
Oh, here he comes, McQueen. Coming in the finish line, and he's just about to the finish line, and he won again. Yay! He keeps beating us every time. His shoes match his bicycle, Mama. Whew. Man, that's a complete
I mean, it's perfect size. It's gonna fit him for a while too.
He's getting it, Jessica.
Yeah, it just takes a little while, and then he's used to that little bitty tiny one.